Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome back to Mugdad Studios. So this is actress Preeti Singh Rajput here, and in this episode I'm going to show you some beautiful fancy sari collections. So I'm wearing a beautiful fancy sari, which is a yellow color sari. So we have got sequins all over the sari and beautiful floral prints. And even on the borders you can see sequins and matter. And the pallu of the sari is like this. So it has got a self pallu. And let me show you the saris which are in the mannequin now. So here goes the lighter shade of peach color sari. And its body of the sari vachesi plain vachayandi. It's an organza material. And the borders we have got this beautiful stone work and pearl work and kardanas. And here goes the next sari in green color. So we have got this beautiful mirror work and borders. Pallu beautiful tassels vachai. It's a very beautiful sari, golden zari border. And these are the contact numbers andi. So nenu chupistanu meeku ఏది నచ్చుతుందో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. And we will assist you for processing your orders. So next sari చూసేద్దాం. This is a blue color sari. So it's a similar sari that I have worn it. So this is in blue color, floral prints are nice, sequence work vachai all over the sari. And even on the borders we have got sequence work. You can see the beautiful floral prints all over the sari. Thread work kuda vachayandi. Self pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price of this sari is 6,900. So these are all beautiful fancy collections andi. So each and every sari has got its own unique beauty. So this is in satin crepe material and floral prints vachai all over the sari. This is the lighter shade of green color material, green color sari. And borders lo stone work vachayandi. Self pallu and blouse vachesi printed blouse with stone work all over the blouse. And the price for this sari is 5,600. So next sari chupistanu. This is a lighter shade of pink color, baby pink color sari andi. So we have got beautiful mirror works all over the sari. And borders low, cut finish border. Same borders on both the sides. We have got cut finish border, mirror work vachai, and beautiful metal work. Same borders on both the sides. Pallu, self pallu. And the blouse, this is the blouse. We have got this beautiful design as per so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price for this sari is 13,300. So each and every sari has got its own beauty andi. Here goes the next sari, navy blue color. So very comfortable sari this is. So look at the border, botapati work vachai. And you can see the stones, kardanas, embroidery work. So all over the sari kuda we have got simple floral design with butapatti and stones and kardanas. And same border only on both the sides. And this is the look of the pallu. Self pallu with that finishing kardana work. And this is the blouse. So lighter shade of blue color blouse icharu. 8,200 is the price of this sari. So next sari is a beautiful yellow color sari andi. This is a satin crepe material. This is a Georgette material. So all over the body of the sari which is plain vachai, and borders low you can see this heavy work, kardana work and putti work. Beautiful kardana and pearl work andi. So these are all beautiful fancy sari collection what I'm showing you. This is the pallu, self pallu, and blouse chasing. You've got this same running blouse with beautiful design. And the price of this saree is 9,999. So మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. We will definitely assist you for processing your orders అండి. So this is our next saree, violet color saree, crepe silk material, and all over the saree you can see this beautiful leaf design. So they have made it with kardana and stones. So beautiful leaf design. So even on the borders we have got stone work, kardanas. So beautiful fancy saree, self pallu, and blouse chasing pink color contrast blouse like this. So very beautiful color combination. It's gonna look very elegant and so we will, yeah, I've got the price here. Price of chasing 8,200. Next saree is a beautiful pink color saree. So ikkada Buta Patti work lo design vachayandi. So leaf design vachayi in all over the saree. Borders lo kuda Buta Patti work vachayi. You can see the kardana. Beautiful work. And the pallu is like this. And blouse vachesi contrast yellow color blouse vachayandi. So on the saree we have got this yellow color piping. So that's the reason they have given the contrast yellow color blouse. 7,999 is the price. Here goes the next saree in yellow color. Beautiful yellow color saree. So crepe silk material. All over the saree you can see this Buta Patti work through design. And even on the borders we have got beautiful embroidery work and kardanas and Buta Patti. It's a beautiful hand work only on the borders and even on the body of the saree. It's a very pretty color, red color work vachai, yellow color kuda thread work vachai. This is the look of the pallu. And this is the look of the blouse. Beautiful design, neck design, arms design icharu, so that you can design it accordingly. The blouse and the price of the saree is 7,990. Here goes the next saree in red color. It's a beautiful handwork vachayandi on the borders. You can see stones, kardanas and Buta Patti work. And all over the saree also you have got this beautiful Buta Patti work. Beautiful handmade embroidery. And the pallu is like this. Running pallu, self pallu. Finishing uchai, same workload. Blouse is a yellow color contrast blouse. You can see the neck design and arms design, so that you can stitch the blouse accordingly. And the price of this saree is 8,200. So all the beautiful ladies, do not miss this beautiful, exquisite, fancy saree collection. Immediately take a screenshot and grab your favorite saree and do not miss it because we have all single pieces. So once you set a screenshot, we will definitely assist you further for processing the orders. So this is a satin crepe material. Beautiful peach and brown color saree. Stone work uchai all over the saree. Along with that we have got prints. This is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price of the sari is 4,100. So this is another beautiful fancy sari, and this is basically in silver color. And look at this beautiful shine. You have got the beautiful shine on the sari. Apart from that, you can see beautiful prints here. So there are floral prints and sequence work kuda vachai, thread work kuda vachai. Look at the border, stone work and thread work. Beautiful stone work and thread work and cut finish border. It's a very lovely sari. So these all are easy to carry and gorgeous saris, and what I'm showing you. This is the pallu, self pallu vachai, and blouse vachesi. This is the blouse. And the price for this sari is 6,800. So next sari. So baby pink color sari, and finishing vachesi dark pink lo finishing vachai. The body of the sari is plain and not much design. So we have got this Butapatti design here. Thread work crochet, so all over the sari. So this is a shimmer material and stones and pearls and kardana work lo finishing vachai. Piping vachayandi pink color lo. Self border, self pallu, sorry. So we have got the same finishing piping, and blouse is like this. Neck design charu and arms design charu, so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price of the sari is 7,200. So the next sari. So this was a chiffon material. So jal motifs all over the sari. Cross checks. You can see the beautiful embroidery work, thread work all over the sari. So beautiful embroidery work, local of floral fillings. So we have got this lovely floral work with thread they have done even all over the sari. Very beautiful sari. This is the look of the pallu. We have got tassels, and the blouse is like this. And the price of the sari is 8,599. So next sari is a cream color sari. So this is also a chiffon material, and all over the sari we have got this embroidery work. Mirror work kuda vachayandi. So beautiful design, jal motifs, embroidery work all over the sari. This is the pallu along with tassels. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse. Plain cream colored blouse vachai. 8,999 is the price. So next sari. This is a blue color sari organza material vachai. And we have got floral prints. And you can see this golden prints as well. Borders lo kardana work vachai. And the pallu, self pallu. And the blouse is like this. So we have got this kardana finishing borders. Price of this sari is 5,100. So meeku edi nachutundo, please take a screenshot and send it to us. These are the contact numbers where you have to send it to, and these are the Google Pay numbers where you have to transfer the payment online. Here goes the next sari. So this is a shimmer material. Very beautiful sari, thread work lo floral design vachai. Borders chudandi, you have got this pearl and kardana on the borders. Beautiful pearl and thread work in kardanas. And the pallu is like this. And blouse వచ్చేసి this is the blouse for this saree. And the price for this saree is 6,350. Let me show you the next saree. So this is a lighter shade of pink color only. This is a tassel saree. And you have got stones and kardanas. Sequence work kuda vachayandi. You can see beautiful zardosi work kuda vachai, stones, kardanas, and metal work as well. Beautiful work. And this is the pallu, self pallu with tassels. And blouse vachesi. This is the blouse. So they have given this neck design, kardana finishing, so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price of this saree vachesi 10,999. So the next saree, it's a beautiful blue color saree. And look at the shades, beautiful shades on the border. Stone work vachayandi on the borders. This side also we have got lovely borders. And this is the pallu. This is the blouse. Beautiful design vachayandi front and back. And the price of the saree is 4,500. Next saree. This is a beautiful blue color sequence saree andi along with floral print. So ikkada all over the saree sequence work vachai. So look at the details. It's a very beautiful shine. And this is the pallu, self pallu. Blouse is like this. So same color lo, blouse vachai, very material lo. The price of this saree is 8,500. Next saree. This is a grey color saree and beautiful work. So stone work vachayandi ikkada. This is a satin material saree andi. So ikkada beautiful shades vachai, shades of green, yellow and blue and white. And stone works on the border and grey color finishing. This is a very beautiful material and satin material, very soft, comfortable saree. This is the pallu, self pallu vachai, and blouse vachesi. We have got a grey color blouse like this. And the price of this saree is 4,500. Next saree chusidam. This is another saree in blue color with beautiful floral prints all over the saree. This is also satin material, and also we have got stone work. Self pallu. That's beautiful stone work lo finishing, and this is the blouse. Beautiful prints, chinna chinna flowers. And the price 5,600. Next saree vachesi sky blue color lo vachayandi. This is a chiffon material.
Pista green.
This is a pista green color saree. So all over the saree you have got this embroidery work. So look at this embroidery work even on the borders. Pallu is like this. Tassels kuda vachai, and the blouse is like this. So we have got this blouse, and the price of this saree is 8,599. Next saree. So this is organza material and the peach color look. Beautiful floral prints వచ్చాయి all over the saree, and borders low we have got this beautiful kardanas look finishing వచ్చాయి, and apart from floral prints you can also see the dots which is of golden prints. This is the pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి this is how the blouse is. You've got the kardana finishing borders here as well. Price వచ్చేసి 5,100. So next saree coming up, the universal loving color which is black. And floral prints వచ్చాయి. Beautiful saree this is. The flowers are really popping out beautifully. This is a crepe saree, very soft, comfortable, body hugging material. Cut finish borders వచ్చేయండి. Look at this beautiful zigzag cut finish borders and stone work. Very beautiful fancy saree this is. This is the pallu, self pallu. Coming to the blouse, this is the blouse. So cut finish border ఇక్కడ కూడా వచ్చాయండి. Stone work, చిన్న చిన్న floral prints వచ్చాయి on the blouse. Price of the saree is 5,700. So let me show you the next saree now. This is a beautiful lighter shade of blue color saree. So all over the saree butapati work lo design vachayandi, thread work kuda vachayi. This is a shimmer material. So look at the finishing kardanas and pearls. Pallu is like this, self pallu, and blouse is like this. So we have got the neck design front and back. 7,200 is the price. Next saree. This is organza material and the maroon color saree. So here we have got embroidery work, look, floral design and mirror work vachai, and zari borders, khadi borders on both the sides. Piping red color piping icharu on the borders finishing. And the pallu is like this. Beautiful tassels on the pallu. Self pallu ochai, and the blouse is like this. Red color blouse, contrast blouse. Bandhani design kuda ochayandi. You can see silver and yellow color work low. Price of this saree is 5,999. Next saree is a baby pink color saree. Crepe silk material. Body of the saree is plain. Borders look, we have got this beautiful thread and kardanas. Sequence kuda vachai. It's a beautiful saree. This is the pallu, self pallu, and blouse is like this in pink color. Price of the saree is 8,999. So let me show you the next saree in yellow color. Satin. This is a organza material. Floral prints vachai. You can see the gold prints as well. Kardana finishing. And this is the pallu. Blouse is like this. And the price of this saree is 5,100. So the last saree from our fancy collection. This is a very beautiful saree, and silver color saree. And sequence work vachai along with beautiful prints. All over the saree we have the sequence and thread work, beautiful prints, and on the border stone work and thread work, and you can see the cut finish border. This is the crepe material, and this is the pallu, self pallu with the same finishing. Blouse vachesi. This is how the blouse is. They've given the design on the neck and arms only so that you can stitch it as per they have given the design, and the price of the saree is 6,800. So that's with the last saree from Fancy collection. So this is the beautiful Fancy sarees collection and you can see the beautiful colors and very chala beautiful grand design vachayandi. So meeku edi nachutundo screenshot teeskoni WhatsApp cheseyandi. So once again let me show you the contact details. So these are the numbers where you have to send it to the screenshot and we will definitely assist you for processing your orders. And these are the Google Pay numbers where you have to make the payment online. So that's all for now. I will soon get back to you with another collection. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.